In this video, we will see how jaggery is made in the traditional way on the local farms of India in the winter season. Firstly, the sugarcane is crushed and its juice is extracted through power-driven crushers, which are also known as Kolhu in India. The extracted sugarcane juice is collected in big iron containers. The juice is then transferred to another shallow round-bottomed container that is subjected to less heat. The juice of the ladyfinger plant is added to this liquid so that all the impurities rise to the top of the liquid in the form of froth. The froth is continuously ladled off. It is transferred from container 2 to container 3, which is subjected to higher heat, and the excess froth is finally removed. Just see how the sweet smelling mist from boiling sugarcane is continuously released into the air. The mixture is then transferred to another container where it starts to thicken. The consistency is constantly checked with a spatula till it forms a consistency with many threads. It is transferred to another container. The container is called chalk in the local language. Edible soda is added so that it transforms into small granules. The viscous sugarcane juice is vigorously and continuously stirred. It is then left to cool down. After cooling, it is again mixed, and you will see the color changing as it starts to solidify. If edible soda is not added, then it will convert into solid jaggery, which can be molded and is commonly known as gur. It finally gets converted to granular jaggery powder. This jaggery powder is known as shakkar in India. Jaggery is packed with so many health benefits and vitamins. So, isn't it essential for every household to replace white sugar with jaggery and lead a healthy lifestyle? Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.